If you own a window and door installation business, then you're going to want to watch this full case study because within the first 90 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated over $2 million in sales opportunities. And that's 254 exclusive leads at a cost per lead of $84 Canadian, which is around $62 American, with a total ad spend of $21,000. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact strategy behind those results. All right, so step number one in our lead generation funnel is going to be the offer and the ad creatives. And these are truly what we have control over because the heavy lifting is going to be done by Meta in terms of showing the ads to the right people. Now, the number one deciding factor in whether you're going to have a successful ad campaign or not, number one is going to be your offer, and number two is going to be the ad creatives. And what we like to do with our ad creatives is we like to use a price first strategy, means we're going to have some sort of a starting ad prices in the ads because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Now, in terms of the offer, here's the exact offer that we're running for this client, which is 5 window bundle, $4,400 installed. We got 10 windows, and then we have 10 plus high efficiency windows starting from $35 a month. So one of them is a financing offer. The other two are just upfront prices. And on top of that, our offer stack would be $0 down, $35 a month, free triple pane upgrade, 25% off entire order, and lifetime warranty. Next step is going to be our Facebook ads targeting. Now on Meta, we can target by zip code, city, radius, and all that. And for this client of ours, we're targeting a few different cities with different radiuses. For age, we like to go after 34 to 65 plus because these are most likely homeowners, male and female. And for placement, which means where we want to show the ads, it's going to be on Facebook and Instagram, feeds and reels. And we're running these ads on mobile devices only because over 80% of the traffic comes through mobile. Now, once people see that, our call to action would be to, get quote. Once they click on it, we're going to take them through our pre-qualification questions. So number one would be how many windows they need replaced, number of doors, and how soon they're looking to start this project. And at the end, full name, phone number, city. Now, we've got logic on the back end of these forms. So say if somebody selects they're not ready yet, they're just budgeting, or they're not as serious, we can just disqualify them. And that's what we're doing for this client here. So if anybody selects anything other than ASAP or within 90 days, we just disqualify them. So this way it ensures that our end clients are only getting clients who are actually ready to move forward within the next 90 days. Once the leads submit that lead form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away just because they fill out the form on Facebook, because a lot of people fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number and some are not just serious. So that's why we have this backend automation that runs 24/7 on autopilots, so there is no humans involved. And what this automation does, it's going to send an SMS to every lead that comes in, and this is going to ensure two things. Number one, that they've given us their correct phone number, which is going to increase contact rates. And number two, they confirm that they actually want an in-home estimate. So, which is going to make sure these people are, a little bit more serious. So the text would sound something like this. Hey, first name, it's Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Thanks for requesting a quote for our $35 a month high efficiency window promotion, which includes the free triple pane upgrade and a 25% off. Just reply yes to confirm this is the best number and we'll schedule your free estimate. Now, our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once we get that yes, it's going to automatically reply back saying, okay, thank you. We'll call you shortly to go over your options. Now we can customize this text however we want. And this is just how we're doing it for this client. Once they reply with a yes, that's where we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. And then we're going to send that lead instantly to our end clients via SMS and email so they can call and book that in-home estimate. And here's just a quick look at our backend automation. Now, in case we don't get that yes from them right away, that's not a problem because we're going to have 4 more follow-ups that go out. So the first one will go out after 5 to 10 seconds. The second follow-up will go out after 10 minutes. Third follow-up after an hour. And our last follow-up will go out after 4 hours, which is going to sound something like this. Just wanted to check in one last time about our $35 a month window replacement offer. If you'd like to get a free quote, feel free to reply with a yes anytime. And anytime during this back and forth SMS where they reply with a yes, that's where we're going to, again, count them as a pre-qualified lead and then send that lead's information over to our end client so they can call and book that in-home estimate. And for the bad leads who put in invalid phone number, they replied they're not interested or they just opted out, they'll just go down the trash and our end clients never even going to see them. And that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door installation business or any home improvement business and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business without relying on buying shared leads, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this lead generation system makes sense for your business. That's all. Thanks for watching.